Recently, I found an old discarded dresser that was beyond repair. The wood was dark, heavy, and well aged, so I trimmed it down for salvage. I really didn't want to see this wood go to waste, and I figured that the best possible thing to do would be to sand it down and find out what kind of wood this was, and this is a perfect job for the SuperMax 1938. I love sanding wood with this machine because it's always a mystery as to what might lie beneath that paint, and reclaiming old wood that would otherwise be thrown out. Now, it's just good for the environment, and it's always a thrill to get some kind of wood that you might not otherwise have. And right away, I could tell this was some good wood. It had a really fine grain, it had great color, it had great texture. So I ran several passes and lowered the head slightly each time so I didn't damage the wood. And I just love the sound of the wood as it passes underneath this sanding head. Just a great sound. And then seeing it come out on the other side all nice and sanded and clean. Yeah, it's just a great thing. I ran a backside cleanup, and now I can kind of tell that this wood is a mahogany, and it might be a real Cuban mahogany. And the grain is tight and the planks are very dense. And the real Cuban mahogany is now a protected species because, basically all of the great mahogany trees in the Caribbean and Belize have been cut down long ago. And mahogany is awesome for guitar making, and it makes for great furniture as well. Today there's only one family in Palau that is still growing and raising real Spanish mahogany, and it's supplied by Blue Moon Exotic Wood. And yeah, it'd be great to be a mahogany tree in Palau.